wicked, ragatan, some Jezebel them in.
Tanya, you're wicked, Tanya.
Very wicked. Them want cuss and them want tell you the things and them want be the things and when you lick them with the truth, them want you dead. But we say no weapon arm against us shall prosper. And them own self them a bring down. They bringing down them whole. Look at this the bunch of fucking fat pig them. They bringing down their own self. Look at those people, cartoon character.
Oink, 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 oink.
Mom, never know so somebody afraid of themselves.
That's to tell you, they can't. Nobody on the only thing we see is a face off. Only thing we see is a face off. Focus on God. We are show them how God works. We are show them the God of Abraham, Jacob, and Moses. We are show them the God of Zillah.
No one never send God on a pork more right on the top.
You don't have to send him nowhere at all because I'm already there everywhere. Him see you. Him see and him know everything. Him see the heart of the wicked.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to do a rub out people with my mouth and people do so much things.
Make a joyful noise unto the Lord. So,
People do so much things to me, boy.
Fuck that Tanya, you freaking big back bitch. Everybody's scared of your fucking big ass. You can't touch nobody. I'll contact the JCF or whatever. Since I'm down there, fuck that Tanya. You always call out people name and I come dash out people information. But this a name and that the name. Dog shit, bitch.
And I'm not the new shit that somebody did come out and come expose her before she just never remember.
Oh. I want to find a cook. Or the husband that's never cook. What is this?
Tanya, please don't make my face for mother tomorrow and the hospital. Joe, me sister, you're over here. So you come fight here. Please do not touch my mother. They are there to not touch me.
your gaze upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount like an eagle. They shall run and not be weary. They shall run and not be faint. But teach me, Lord. Teach me, Lord. A day we will. Listen. Now, listen. Yeah, if you listen, let me tell you something, you know. All this is for a show and be it. And you know what I said a couple of years ago? Same thing like that, one boy come out of Matilda and say, you know, them gun. And show them gun. And bust 2 shots at the ear. And in the next couple of hours, a police got kill him. And him ball like a baby finna dead.
Yeah.
Calm everybody address. Calm and and sometimes when calm and lick them, you know. Calm and lick them, the people who them love the most. Calm and attack the people who love the most, because calm and want them feel it.
But she not love you, because she not trying to make somebody
Sow good seed. Sow good seed. Sow good seed.
Yeah.
Because anything you sow, you're going to reap. And whosoever sow the seed, look out for your harvest. The harvest is coming. So make sure. Larry, enough is enough.
Yeah.
So listen. We not stop laugh, and we not stop jump and chant, and we not stop. So you have to go kill everybody, you have to go kill them. You have to go
Murder them. Murder them.
you have to go murderize everybody. And the right
Stay strong, yeah, diary. Make she move on, go and see him. So she and down them did a plan to kill Puss.
as the time, right now you're in a place where if you murderize the fat them, and the whole for ag town them around you, and you not find no time to do that.
Can you imagine she got public? Yes, she
Diary, me don't get me like it. Fake cry. Diary, love me, no, please.
It's not joke, you know. I'm not joke something. I'm not joke something.
This is when you take bad things make laugh, Puss. Because where else would you do with Tanya?
Let me tell you something. Oh, that's why I know these people are so fool. These are some stupid people. Look, them a show a man with gun and them a show them face and them a show this need to carry to the headquarters, the flying squad up across road.
You know much message me having on my inbox.
Okay.
Where people are saying do this and that and that and this and that.
Send it go give them. Send it go give them. Come here, Tanya and Danny, you know, at the police station already for the same thing. Send it go give them. If a strong ear hurt me or hurt my body for me, them are the first body I get big up. Send it go give them. This is not no joke thing.
Look like Tanya needs to stay at Jamaica. Me can't sit because it said JCF 311 call them to report crime. Tanya, they report crime. I shall report you to JCF, girl. Go to their Jamaica plan.
Send this to our social worker. Send this to, as tomorrow come, you go call the England and police with a video. I will send the video to me, Candy. I'm not going to send the video because I just call the police already and make a complaint about all. I'll make a complaint and tell them, so them check my son. So my son I got dead in a barrel and this and that, and she show a man with gun. The police said, do you have our feet? I said, yes, officer. Watch where you go get. When I fight, I want to fight a losing background. You're so stupid. You're so stupid. Out there, when I talk about one people dead, people talk that out of the mouth, people are dead. My God. And that is what you know on the heart, on the speak. On the speak from on the heart. They're untouchable because nobody now fight them like how them fight them. And that's why I use prayer and beat them. People now stop. Listen. Nobody even have argument with this big buffalo soldier, you know. And she find herself in an argument and she want to be entertained. Nobody cares if you're in Jamaica or you're not. Nobody's scared. Because we all have to go one day. It's who go before who. The vice a playback. Stupid, you're not big woman. We don't want to tell people the worst thing. We don't want to tell people the worst part of them people and them mother. You know the one when I look at my vice school.
When they know somebody a play for
Not me. Not me.
Oh, I think a FBI, I think a MFI a record live. Because they call about 10 times they call the police. So I think them a record live.
We send you the good video.
Yeah. So I think that
Big face Tanya like the headline.
So MFI even so yeah, so that's right a record, yeah.
Puss me not do bad, me not know bad.
Oh, stupid. We don't want to tell people the worst thing. We don't want to tell people mama them beat me. We don't try to burn down my house because you're not stop till you see with them, but me tell you say no weapon farm against me.
Tanya, Patricia Light, and Paulette Evans. That them name.
Why you think say me not do wickedness? I think say me not fight them fire because me know how powerful. Me know how me no want to start with negative because me maybe not start. Because me maybe like you know about the things there and you cause people the worst. You cause people
Tanya, just don't start the show too early. And make sure you have a lot to say.
and then a joke thing, you know. We said tomorrow me I call the police again and show them the video. I remember, and in a joke thing this. That's how stupid this motherfucker is. Look how them kill them own self. Some people kill them own self and don't know because they are dumb bitches. This is a fucking day cursing people, telling people the worst. And when people tell them, because people are telling the truth. Look how they put up my teeth, and they put up my hole, and they put up my that. But man still kiss me. Man still love me. Cannot think.
The people them say them are going to flag them at airport because them are a gunman brawling in Jamaica. And them say Central Kingston is at war right now and them are a gunman. We don't know nothing about town.
And you see how stupid them is if people that think like them and are wicked like them. Which part them there right now? They send the whole ascension and God.
So much people are like in my inbox, like me not know after them, like people them who never usually talk, they're like, no, this is like crazy.
My God, man, you're a big woman. This big suitcase woman. You're a big woman, you have grandchildren, you have children. Big and dirty and careless because our Instagram live. The show for Instagram. When you go to Jamaica, you can't even buy you can't even buy a proper fish in Jamaica or a lobster. When you buy so you take out some little dolly fish and put on the table and make you feel like you're smart.
Remember one of them places in Jamaica eat them little fish. They fish are big. Like in a big plate there.
I remember when you be in England, you eat the biggest fish in England, so what change? And like me, I don't like big fish. I like the little one, but when I be at Jamaica, I go buy a fish, I buy a big one. You can't hold in the plate.
Yeah, when you're out eating, like when I go buy fish, like they fry up on my yard when they at Jamaica. I want the little one them nice, but when I go feed, I want it as big as my plate. I want it big.
These are some sick people. These are people that...
Every time has to be on its own plate. Everything can pack up our one plate. Not when you got them fish placed up on the beach. Nope.
I'm telling you something. This is not now. That these are people are taking this thing for joke. Serious, I mean. And we are taking for joke.
Yeah, one of them too. Yeah, take it for joke too. Yeah, one of them
That's why you think me take it for joke. You think everything we have to come here and talk?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, that's good. That's good. I like that.
You think
I like the sound of that.
Here, come talk? You think we have to be a fool?
I do.
You talk where you want people here and you keep where you want to keep.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying, Candy? You don't have to talk everything.
Yep. I know. I don't talk. I don't know nobody. I'm not bad. You guys notice I don't say nothing. I don't know nobody.
Candy, you have to build up your thing. And you have to have your thing. And you have to play them own game. And you have to beat them by them game. And you have to be good at what you do. You understand? Okay.
I like to sit, watch, and observe.
So when them think of peace and safety, that's sudden destruction. Remember, me have some daughter, is teacher. Me have son in good quality job at the good things. Me have Britannia. We are trying to be a social worker. we have them head pan them. Why you think my children and don't come out here and even interact with these things? Because they know.
I love it. I love it because you well baga and your picking them is not about that at all.
Alright.
They don't even be on the live watching or nothing. This is not their
No.
life.
They think this life is careless, disgusting. When me call mother and say, mother, come here. Somebody has said this boy, mother say, mommy, call one of your Jamaican friends. They love baga, not me.
Yeah, why she have none of them terms there.
And if nobody at all had her Instagram and she look and see them have associate with me, she'll block them.
They can't
She block them.
Yeah.
Hardy will pass for my life. And Hardy will hear people attack, I don't even entertain them, I don't even say nothing. And when they are class, Hardy or a classmate, she not even a right laugh out loud. So, it has nothing to do with parents. Everybody have their own whatever.
Definitely not. Yeah, everybody has their own mind. My daughter is nothing like me. None of them fuck me. It's all about her
You must understand, so these are some people that tell Bella, to them I call the fraud people, when them say me charge for fraud, I call the court again, I call me landlord, nothing no go so. So, you see, so we are dealing with some people that make up things for them head. It's like you see like the same, look, they sick.
Tanya always likes to build a story. Like, she always builds and creates a narrative for the audience.
Alright. So we know what these people are. We know what these people are. These are some sick motherfuckers. And that's why the little girl, the baby mother, Candy, she have a minus mental health. And the same, it's like how she just make up this program and talk this program, anything come out, and then it seem like you Geisha. Because they're sick in them head, they believe in them own life.
And you say, Tuffy, and my life. Oh, would I block you?
Well, if Erica page, but you hide me from your life.
So why am I gonna block you? What kind of argument this? Why am I gonna do that? And you have my back, Erica, Puss, and you have my back 100%. So why would I block you?
Remember, diary. I'm not block you.
No, I mean no, Erica, you know, officer 40.
Okay.
Me use my page and go on Erica page and me can't say Erica na block me, but me can't see nothing for your one. You know, I don't mean clean page there.
You see you, diary?
Because the race is not for the sick, but for those who can endure. Until my mouth full of
You see you, diary?
Yeah.
You see you, diary? You have my back 100%, so why me I gonna block you? Me can't come to that.
I can't see life. Everybody over here enjoy themselves, and me have to black out. Why me if I get black? More see life them too. More go here, Auntie Pussa, Auntie Erica tell us that no more begging, more here too. More in a comments and write and laugh. Why deprive me of that luxury?
Jesus.
Yeah, Dirty Stambosi come down over here. Here are Stambosi buy me a bag. The Stambosi can't buy a pad.
Hey.
Puss, you can draw the camel to the water, but you cannot force the water to drink. Sometimes in life you have to leave people alone and make people figure out people. You don't give them no ideas. Right. Because I remember saying, them take our daughter, you know, have our daughter rub every day and I record and I put you up on YouTube. So the who can hear, they shall feel.
Well, before it tumble down and you hear say a Puss bring people for come rub and this and that, I take away myself and diary.
Puss, hear this. Puss, hear this and diary. The storm is over. Storm is over.
No bother with that. Nobody
That
change the subject.
that understand that's a hurricane, but anyway.
They say Erica, I both. Them say my remote bad Eric that remote better than my one.
Nah, look how you bomb up bad. Well, if they think my mouth, but they want to hear Erica mouth and Puss.
Ah, me left on a drum. Me left. Tell
Right?
me me left on a drum.
Them just tell
When me
me
left
say
right,
them just tell me say when my mother there. So I say my mother there at work. So my Friday when I see Erica sending request.
Mama, my mouth still have training wheel funny.
Come on with me, Yes, once you go live, the people them in my inbox are shit tag me night. I say your daughter the life,
But
Erica,
but but
come, your
but but
daughter the
Erica,
life.
but Erica,
Them
you know
want the
your
arms up.
daughter. Erica, you know your daughter. You know you're not forgot to fuck.
That's
Hey,
why
Tuffy,
I try to tell her the right thing. What to do? She feel listen to
Tuffy.
me and it will work.
Yeah?
Right, you know if you not make
Listen to
money,
me,
it
it
make
works. You know,
sense for
Sophie, if you don't
Tuffy.
listen to me, you're going to
Me I
keep on
listen to
making
you,
one
Erica.
start
Today's
to
a
work.
all right. Listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Tuffy, I gotta say if
All right. Listen to me
Tuffy, I
now.
gotta
Listen
say
to
if it
me.
don't make money, then it don't make sense. And them the
No, me
reason.
not a joke, you know. A serious time now. Serious time now. I mean, I be frank with you know. The principal there from the life, the vice principal, the chairman for the board, and the head girl. And listen to me. And listen to me. And listen to me now. You see, like how I have my stall now. If you don't want help me for buy 2 pack of fab, a case of cake soap, and bleach and so, me start off with that. Tell the something come true. If you don't want me do that,
I come
be frank with
no,
understand
me.
that.
we want you do. Are you nobody know why you do nothing? Cause nobody not force somebody to do nothing at all. You're a big woman. You don't have you don't have no help. Your only help is where you do a little gambling, and is that every day you go come and somebody go give you something. Do the Jamaican way. We are hustler. We
Listen
know
to
how
me.
to.
Listen
We
to
know how
me.
to
Listen to me.
me talk,
Listen
man.
to
Stop
me.
talk over me, man.
That is what.
When people are talk,
That
stop
is.
cut them off, man. Can't make it sound like people are argue, bro. You get your turn,
Bro.
make people get them turn, man.
You
You can't, if you can't buy 1 dozen cake soap, you buy your 1 dozen cakes. You have to buy, you go order where you want people buy for you.
All right.
You have to make
Anything you say, principal. Anything you say. The vice
Listen to
you take
me,
principal.
you
listen
get,
to
you get,
me, listen to me, listen
you
to me, listen to me. Allow each other to talk, all right?
Yeah.
You see, oh, you're quiet now and nobody not talk, but I bet you any money when one person start talking, next one gonna talk.
Lord Jesus.
Yeah. You wanna hear? You wanna make the chairman for the board talk now?
Tuffy.
Yeah.
But why you go down at the store, find out which store take Visa card or MasterCard, and then
Yeah.
call me and make you know, and we'll pay for the something them over the phone when they go down at the store. And let me tell you this, listen to me, you listen to me. You say
Yeah.
anything where you get, from none of us up here, I want you
Yeah.
make sure say your daughter good. You owe your daughter 2 grand a month. I want you make sure say no care how small, even if a 15 bills are a grand, make sure
Mhm.
say Talia, your daughter, good.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right.
And you know what me I gotta do? You know what me I gotta do, Erica? Miss
Yeah.
Erica. My mother, me not
Yeah,
send a
yeah,
miss,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know all.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
know all, so me not send a miss. Alright, Erica, you see anytime
yeah.
I go down at the store and I get when I you say and them use Visa card or that. And if me I gear anything because true shall lie, I call you and call Puss and video call and say Puss.
no call
See me I
me.
give her
No call me. I
$2,000
don't
a
get
year.
people that your daughter.
Listen to me,
Una
listen
mother
to
and
me,
daughter.
listen to me, listen to me. Order, one at a time.
Erica that's a last so. No,
But like, listen to me. It's sweet, me. Exactly, Miss P. A pair style, I'm gonna make some t-shirt, oh, and you just put on it. Listen to me, you know
Listen
that
to
we sell
me.
too. Okay.
Right through.
Okay, you have to think tough. Use your head and think. You're small. You deal with people in high places. Shaggy,
Real.
Buju Banton, the parliament people, them matter.
Listen
You
to me,
know
listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. You didn't know Tuffy. You didn't know say you name Tuffy and Puss that and name tough. So your brain not tougher than nobody out here.
so I put data. I put data.
No, no, my daughter. I don't want nothing more. I can't take nothing
Somebody said
more.
good idea. Pete Phillips said good idea. See? Come up with idea for help her, man. She can help herself, her baby and we and her daughter. And when you go down and have baby there, your husband can fill in the gap and do whatever, still make it
But
float. You
Erica,
not have to walk
but
and
you know,
beg.
she said more than, well, Erica, you know, she said more than one time, so she paid the $460,000.
Which part?
And that she did say, a Matalan gear 71 gear, 51 gear, Miss Posey gear 100. You know what say you pay
You're
off the
there.
daughter money.
You're there. Well, she gamble up and eat all of that and make her fool of the people their money. Well, she not gonna do that with our money because she have to go stall, she have to go supermarket, and she have to go live. And make her say she have bring out the stall them and sit down and I look at something, yeah, and she sit down and hustle. Yeah. Yeah. If another way there, another way there too hard.
Chilani me
Goodbye.
born and grow.
You can buy a
Yeah, we
little
are the
case of
Jamaican
soap.
way.
You can buy a little case of tissue, a little soap, a little, you know, a little way there. Yeah. At least say we have food every day. Because no, wait a minute. Me have too much people are coming on my inbox are complain, boy, yo. Too much people. Me tired of them. I mean, I want to come in
And another alone post, and the people them still a go live. The other live them a keep bout the place, and the people them a bring you down, and it not look good.
I walk complain about my nice clean Tuffy. I'm out of
too much
order.
people are complain. And I me push them in my inbox like say,
Oh
me have no big
God.
data.
They know say them a complain about Tuffy. I just bored.
Then
Sometimes she
come,
not a friend, you know, and she just bored. Tuffy, I chew me I got
and then all
work
of a sudden,
every day.
Larry, I realize it's not about friend and board. It's about she being a woman. She's 34. She's not a kid. She have a child and the way have to bear now. Remember me say no. We not deal with liability with this gonna be our problem for the rest of the year.
I
Tuffy have
God.
to sit down on our own a tub, cut our own a pound and wait.
Unna bother with the bad juice again, car.
No, that's too much.
The night they when me
Just
tell you
sit down
say
somewhere. Not if
when me
Tuffy
tell
seems
you
like the type for me. She not then on a wally for acting. She just want to go one place and sit down and bill and make her money.
but
That's why
Erica,
she like gambling
Erica,
because she don't sit down one place and
Jamaica,
hustle.
she have a fridge in her house. She can sell every little thing. If soap no sell, bag juice sell. If that no sell, two biscuits sell.
That's
You have to
true.
know to turn it on.
I
Look
look
for me,
for
God,
some
Jamaica. You see me turn me on in a pattern. You see me call
yeah.
nobody up here and beg them to send me. At least that will give me a little credit.
why
But it's my birthday.
me not know them the hustler life they know.
Well, I
I mean
don't turn to
just
the way all of the hustler life
How
down
much
there.
you can't say that diary? Because how much sister and brother me see roll out fear, you must go through sufferation.
most of the Saudi can't send me the clip in
Murder!
the
The
app
amount of
send me
sister, the amount of
send me the
sister you
clip
have and
in.
brother.
So me here, you know say no, hold on now. Let me give you the joke. You know say somebody inbox me yesterday. When we come eat, hear the person now. Hear the person diary. You have brown sister,
What
black
name?
sister, blue sister,
Watch
red
out.
What
sister.
name?
You know what
Puss. Puss.
Diary was talking tough to my daughter. Hold on a second. Talk, Diary.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. In my life, make tough it up. Go on,
Yeah, she know women like it, you know. When she see people
nah.
attack, she just a cut in and just attack and I kill
But
them
the
for
dog,
people.
let me get
People
black you now. Then
keep
dog,
talk,
let me get
tough to
black.
keep talking about you. I get too boring. So we have to jazz it up with every little thing.
Hear what? Hear what me I say?
Yeah.
Alright, hear me I say. May I just you know, may I just break for 3 weeks and just meds my thing and come back.
Yeah.
Tuffy,
Yes.
Tuffy, that's a good idea, but guess what? We never say if you break for 3 weeks and come back. That's not the problem.
You know if
Kind of
people
say,
have be living for the next 3 weeks?
Erica, it's not say you go for 3 because you come back and beg the next 4 weeks, and that we mean. We mean say you can do something great.
Listen
So
to me.
don't go
Listen
break
to
and then you
me.
come back and say, you go for 3 weeks and me come back break. We can beg now. No.
You know if the money are people go there, people drive them car and them bicycle and bike and them whatever, and then know what can happen tomorrow
In
morning. My
Jesus' name,
grandmother always say,
in
make
Jesus' name, cancel that. Cancel that. Rebuke
amen.
that.
But we're not saying that
Cancel that
happening,
and
no.
rebuke that.
We're not saying it's gonna happen, Tuffy. Listen, me just I said my grandmother always say,
I
make
understand.
tomorrow
Tuffy,
promise to
she always
nobody.
has to excuse. Because when we are here and no hesitation, no excuse.
So maybe we need to cancel it and make sure really go think and come back to the drawing board. And if you feel the same way about then, and 3 weeks you can't come to me because 3 weeks from now my birthday. So I'm busy out
If
and bother do
somebody
the things
help you
then.
and I try for 3
Read
weeks
my
from now, you maybe
question,
have
please.
baby.
Okay,
3
darling.
weeks from now, you maybe have baby. At least we have a stall out there. So if you're hungry, you can buy 2 nappy. You can buy a tin of feed. You don't have to come and say nothing at all.
Me ask.
You have a man there, so you have a man with you there, so as Erica said, him can do the little cooking. Do the little chicken, but the little something kind of mouth strong, him talk strong, and him clean and nice. Clean up on the place, paint your table. If Magnum come, hooray. Put the Magnum something side eye and just do something.
Oh, you're 7 months pregnant.
Because I'm tired of
Hold on.
people are coming on the inbox, boy. You're coming on my inbox. And some of them make me feel away.
When you're about to give birth, diary.
All right.
Okay, somebody was saying something, but me not really want to flare it up, my darling. Punch, me not want to flare it up, because we understand the nature what go on. You understand, my darling?
In your shower.
Can't be real at all.
She said, I don't understand. She was asking a question about, she not understands it. Tuffy is 7 months pregnant and she not have nothing for her baby yet. How that goes
On our doing. Make ends meet.
want to go there suffer upset.
I've looked at things, man.
Right now, me I mind the business of PME. Post. Me say,
Hey,
somebody tell me something. I have black sister, green sister, yellow sister. Me say,
We have to talk about it about our PH. When we come off a topic, I know topic. Just want to talk about she. So.
Interview for the one day. So, me go home with 450 last night. More than like to do a when me get them a sister here for as so much sister. But you know what? Anything them say.
Right, make it set good. Right, my niece.
Anything they say true.
Anything
that. Them have the book of truth. Them have the file. Cause the first somebody come out, come call me name and here. The second somebody come call me name.
me soon come.
I see.
So the great ratty baby.
At the end of the day.
This two draw out. I agree. Read my question, please. Me no anti-style, you know. Anti-style.
What you draw out? The money
I just think, say, cut the crap, cut this Tuffy. The kite now go gone away. It just drop right which fight day. So we could just cut the top and just be real and authentic about the thing. Fix up. Time now for you get your soap powder, your fab and your little something.
Erica says she has stuck out her stall for her, so she not to beg again.
Yeah, that's what she said. She don't want that. Like her daughter, so the mother, so the daughter.
And that's the while ago.
Erica.
Puss, you hear me say me never want that?
You said you're going for 3 weeks. It clearly state that. I say you never want that. You say, I know that you want to do the Magnum. You just say that. Did I lie,
but
Erica?
I'm say never clear my head for 3 weeks. What the problem? But just gonna
But
clear
oh,
my
you
mind for
clear,
3
you
weeks.
can't, you can't clear your head for 3 weeks when everybody here is stranger. They maybe want to help you now. They don't. Next week when you come, they maybe not help you. The first water I get, what should I eat? Because people change like the weather. 1 minute you see Erica, the next minute you don't see her.
Yeah, cause Erica
1 minute
always
you
a
see this,
drive her
and the
truck.
next minute you don't see diary, and the next minute everybody have them. Nobody not pick you, put them on hold. You have no when somebody offer you something, either you take it or you turn it down. This is not 3 week or not
Tuffy add
4 weeks.
Ratty. Tuffy add Ratty, cause me hear my say him have a thing. Add Ratty, girl.
Where Erica there?
You know. She said, excuse me, she go in the comments. But then if I
I'd
choose to
rather.
start talk.
But if you shoot me at
But I'd
calm, what you
Ratty,
name?
more get a little laugh right now. Push
I'd
away the
rather
from money work.
yeah. Me I do some paperwork. Me I up at the office when me clean the lie office. Me get one little extra. We sort out the mail, the paperwork, the you know.
Yeah. Real Debbie,
So
you know my mouth this. That's why them can't stop rub me, cause when me talk it
me I
hurts.
do the paperwork. Them now treat have on people name, people address, and some. I really want come
Yeah.
alive. Yeah, certain things. So
For real. Run
uh,
come here, Ratty. Run come here, me ear
so it's
something.
private and confidential. So me don't want
Yeah, Tuffy. Yeah, Ratty boy, wanna come kiss. Yeah, Tuffy, come kiss my ass. Lord of Jesus, I'll red lipstick too.
make sure I add back Erica then.
I mean, until I say from the start talk, Erica say, excuse me, I jump down. Add Ratty.
Oh. Erica was afraid of back bang. 11 step.
She keep on her head, say her birthday soon. Oh my God, my bestie wake at Island Candy Lake.
Um, 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 uh, uh, your mother make your mother come tell you what she a do. But stuffy when somebody offer you something in a 3 week time, you say you feel niggy pain, you can't have baby at least. You sure your baby we have pampers, have a
Candy,
little milk.
call me from my phone, Candy.
At least your baby we have little something. Nobody now gonna take it up on a handout.
Erica, I hear you. But anyways, Tuffy, you're alright, you sound stressed.
No, Tuffy not sound no stress. It's just when you tell Tuffy, you just lick the facts pan Tuffy, she sounds so because she was just here lively and happy. She not have nothing to stress about. She wake up, she got you know much people now wake up this morning and them family not head did no good, this, that. So when I wake up and say this, you have to give God thanks. But the right thing is
Me wake up with 6 extra sister.
all right. Right. So then at the day.
Mama,
So
no, Tuffy don't add me. Tuffy don't add my sister Candy. She now want company live. It's okay. Puss, when I already start the live, we will come over the stretch out my big foot here.
yeah, you're
Kristen.
big. Tina Starla, you know, understands that she just want money. Hey, me not get hard. Can me say she not hard? No, me not get no hard.
Everybody want.
Listen in, Harry Chris.
Everybody. No, she not want come for your life.
She not sending Harry Chris.
No, she not walk up on your life. But what I say is everybody want money. So if Tuffy I look at 100, the war wrong. It's up a nice clean Kristen Stardal.
Diary,
If
the
Tuffy
truth
want
is the
30,
truth.
don't send on the money card, Tuffy I give you the entertainment. Go on bad
I
Tuffy,
tell
go
you,
on bad feet.
don't follow Diary Tuffy.
Go
Just
on
work for your
bad.
money, huh?
She do not
When
like
people see her
when them
hustle,
tell her the
Ratty
truth.
come na Ratty and no say
when them
Must
see
everybody
her
good
want
style
hustle,
and
dollar.
Tuffy,
pass. Who
people
not give
just sending
her
things in your
stop
cash app
them
and
number.
give.
Eh?
When them see a the little hustling, and your shortfall, people send a little money, a little 20, a little 50, you know? At least them see say,
Listen
you
to
know,
me,
fear man.
Ratty, you can tell me, say, she do not like hear the truth.
Add him Tuffy, add him into bright.
How this remaining? Wait.
Erica, me can screenshot me cash up with this week alone. I send Conkia. Let me know if you want to see it. Diary, I hope you're sending her, you know. But Tuffy know from day one, so I send her, because I know the plug. But I'm not wrong. Me still a big fear.
Shawana, pretty girl, no case. Buff, good as Rochelle, Simon, Miss Brown. Miss Brown, you know, call me Stallion. Rockstar, Debbie. Tuffy.
Yeah?
Oh, Puss. Simit.
Yeah,
Oh,
Puss.
girl. Add Erica now.
Minister should send in a request.
She don't have to send it, just press it something, look on her. Go in the something and just press on it, girl.
Oh.
My life can never be the same back for.
Just invite her.
Yeah, girl. Anne Marie. You block that page, your body mouth, or share. At the ear page, them I use.
Who this? Please.
Most of baby.
Funny. It's a drama. It's a drama. You get up every day. Mommy, you don't even know your mother. You see how we solve another puzzle?
Hey.
You don't know your mother. Mommy. My mother, you don't even know your mother.
Never see a picture of my mother yet.
Hooray! Enough said.
Oh! Erica! Erica!
Brother.
Why? I remember me laugh. What?
Talk to you about that because we are some festive.
Can't breathe. We can't talk. My voice gone.
So now me, Derry. So now you sending request to me, I'm add you. Oh yeah, so I'm block you.
That me say, oh yeah, unblock me so quick because we can't see.
So no man, you play fool for catch wise. They think you're easy.
You want to play a fool for catch wise because here you boy who this like you don't say Erica, you're Gidal.
No, I never noticed Erica.
You know, say big cabinet and counter and everything. You know,
I never see a chief for true. What's your name, Derry? Stop stressing me out now, man.
Oh God, Tuffy out to everybody, me stress you out. Because people fear morning, noon, and night. You know, I mean, I'll come off of this car. You soon block me like a black ratty. Come
me not black nobody.
What? Puss Ratty said Tuffy black him. See she black Ratty there.
Yeah,
I saw she see her.
Me not black Ratty.
Hey, this funny.
Me can't send Ratty. Me gonna send Ratty a request now. Ratty.
But I'm gonna try we can't stay. You want me come down and add him a little bit? Can I go wash up the dishes them and clean up my kitchen a little bit?
Get black.
Yeah, me add him. Me add him Erica.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
In black. Lonely won't leave me alone.
Ratty gone lie. Ratty must say a rubber. Let me go here with Ratty. I say.
Why tell me why? Lonely won't let me fall in love. You know what I mean? You should kick off the one at Erica because anytime no that drink liquor, you know. Yeah, because I see him some me to get black on the page or two. And all of a sudden,
I choose black people. One time them they should not like what them say she just block them.
Or maybe she remove them from the, I don't know.
I say, may I tell you, see, man? Ratty, I say me black, you want me know me no black Ratty. Why
So
Ratty
what?
I do this
What
thing?
Big up yourself, Paul and Chutika. So where you eat later, girl?
Eh?
Where you eat later?
but just a drink water and mind my business.
I true bless a little child. Boy, I may tell about them more
Tell
time.
Ratty say for send in a request.
Ratty gone on live.
Hmm?
Oh, look like him block me, I know. Can me just see it.
Up, Paul. Movie crew.
Let's go.
Remember for watch my dear homecoming. Movie crew, remember to watch my dear homecoming.
Let me call Ratty say him saying black.
Wait, my soul come back.
I'm a nice clean tits
I
the
know
cool.
something I got to like post. I just really like to see people because sometimes I feel like I have boy in England where I sell some old man them cocky, you know, I feel like when I sell some of them too. But
But
Big
sure.
Ratty,
cocky
one
just
time
go
I
to
go
waste.
exercise, Ratty, in a
Eh?
one
The big
time.
cocky gone waste.
Now worry about
Free.
My
clot self
God.
about that. Yeah,
Ratty, one time I go exercise.
me glad it gone to waste so you can't come near me.
Me not name cocky.
Another that.
You call that madman. You're
Hold
drawing.
on. Hold on. Ratty, one time I didn't know one tight something. I'm Mr. Ratty, like you that sweat after you that exercise and the piece of sit the print out for your leg. You remember that day, the Ratty?
Me still have it same way it gone.
I'm Mr. Ratty, what big piece of metal you have?
What a big metal. Can do me big, can touch me metal detector.
Like I
Ratty
start tell
can't go
you
through.
up.
Ratty, you can't go through airport. You would have go beep, 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 beep.
It happen all the time in that store.
Just please, watch Ratty.
So Ratty, I
Yeah.
said the way your cocky big. When you come through store to beep. What a waste of cocky.
Puss, what a waste of pussy you have. Can me that your pussy, my pussy the all about the place and I beat up. What a waste of pussy you have.
I wanna beat up, man. I wanna step in
What
and
a
jump
waste
up,
of pussy
man.
you have. What
No,
a
man,
waste
I
of
want
pussy
the
you have.
album.
Sit down and make blood
No,
clot cobweb take it. If me
no, the
have your
problem
pussy,
not
my
take
pussy
it.
they from Brixton to Nagazet to all about. They are use up my pussy. If me have the pussy where
No.
you have.
Ratty, what a waste of cocky girl out here ball and a belt she something. And you have
What
it
a
a
waste of
run.
pussy. Man out there ball for pussy and she have sit down on it like cow.
Hey boy, stop counteracting.
What a waste of pussy. You sit down on your pussy like blood clot man monkey.
Jaja. Me soon come.
Is there? Erica gone.
You know anytime.
Erica
Me
gone.
talk. Me say anytime I say that pertaining to the Bible, like Erica here, you know, she have to go down.
Pussy, I hear me just love me and we got done now with ya.
All right, go on with it, Cathy. Go on with it.
So now no need for blood clot come do some of this. Yeah. Bye-bye. Nagwa man bush.
Boy, Erica jump back in here, man. My body tired. I want to miss nothing later.
You want to miss your sister and your brother them.
Mama, you can't send me them. I want to see brother them too.
Oh God.
And I don't
But
know how they Puss, oh, the girl is so bad and girl in a man. The girl are good
Really?
enough.
The girl mad, silly mad. Mad woman.
She's
Me see somebody call me and I
normal.
drop them
Girl,
phone and I say, the diary sister and brother. Me say, but I never diary. Mama uncle have diary alone. So when diary adapt them.
no Puss, no Puss. Candy go leak my file.
I got me here say Candy, the Candy woman.
Dalmatian them get leak out yesterday to Jesus. We said, Jesus,
Hey,
please.
sometimes you have to wonder, say, if people
Jesus.
really sit down and listen to this mad woman. Total madness.
What
That,
want me to explain, Punch?
like the people don't realize they are rubbish.
Talk
A
about
foolishness. My God. And the girl believe in her head. Die. Me get your Jesus, that's right.
Puss,
And
let
you
me
know, should
tell you.
even for your brother or your
Puss,
sister, what that do?
Puss, Puss, mama,
Eh?
Puss. Mama tell her, oh, that the file they come. Remember, me always tell them, so my file is right there while them the search feet. Mama tell them
Yeah.
something. First and foremost, remember say me, come call me name, Puss. The girl with name Sid, was part on your page. Go when me that tell her about me and tell her what my name is, so she go ask my cousin if I choose say she know me and my cousin say yeah, I'm a cousin for you and everything. Love Sanders did come on, Love Sanders did call me name. Of course she had that only polite tweet, but you know she called me name, my government name and everything and so. Them the idiot, they look like them just catch on now and got hear Love Sanders all live. I say, okay then. The name they call 2 times. One time
You
on Diary
always
Live.
calling name for a long time.
I
Your
say,
funny name.
always. The Tuffy nice na post. Tuffy nice. Then I remember say I meet tell the girl them say me tell them say my real page, my real Instagram, and my name turn back queer. Like me ain't hide. But anyways now, the Google go search my name. Boom. It can my old Facebook they say, you know, like me, I take a picture and I say sister or whatever. So boom, they say, okay, I'm sister this now, I'm mother this
Yeah.
now, I'm this now. But they don't understand that I call everybody my sis. It's because everybody auntie. I'ma call a lot of people mommy. I can't screenshot for right now. In my past, so me I say mommy to different people. Anyways, now, but can go further with this now. The sweetest part is that they got the LinkedIn account because I'm a professional post. My LinkedIn need for update, but I haven't updated it as yet. Them find my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn account is where them find that the picture there. The picture where them I show, that is the original picture taken by Connie Collinson. Connie Collinson go Google that they named for Jollywood, Jamaica. But they have an all printed edition night. Me and a Cameroon. Me Googleable. If you Google me, you can't find me. I never that hide. But
Lord,
just
me
say
understand. You go
me
Google me
not turn
on.
on no live for no girl. See me a robot them done out all. For them go take it and go put it up in the future. If me, you know, somebody put your name on anything, at the end of the day, you can dispute it and say some bunch of idiot hyena did that bully you. So that's why them put their name on different things. But you cannot explain you the pan a video of course. I mean I want me face the pan a video of course. But when them are searching me them to come tell us so when them find my LinkedIn, them say me a professional from young. Them sister me participate in a whole heap of historic event at Jamaica and theater arts things and businesses. Them for come tell the people them things there. Yeah. So you see right now, Puss, anything them say I saw it go. Me I work with it. I chew them I talk. I'm full of be a sister.
Them always a find people.
Full of
Them always a
150
find time.
sister. But this is what more I know, Puss.
If them have the truth, why them a
Puss, listen
lie?
to me now. Puss, listen to me. If I give my sister them or my brother them would then claim, At the end of the day to me, it not gonna do nothing to me. Yet them just out here show up one bag of people picture call, one bag of people name and guess what true them attack. Them file is accurate. Yes, go and run the file from now till November. If you get up tomorrow and rub me, I feel like rubbing me and rub out to the dirty blood clot. What's that? Because sister, my mouth is a problem too, no? Me not stop rub.
Yeah, better than that. Better than that. Me hear people used to say it, you know, say, better than that to blood clot. You know, see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire.
What's that be laugh? Them people that make me laugh. Cause
You know, say, I think Antoinette, Antoinette can tell you something and it just come right through. You know, say, before Steph come over upon we live, Steph did an inbox with Tanya. It's a planting.
But what me I say is, Puss, what got out of that? Remember, say at the end of the day, you know.
It's a planting. Steph is already in an inbox with Tanya a long time, alone. So when they come and I go on like when they come and I go on like say them just new to Instagram, them sit down long time and plan out. Me enough of the team posted I say I send them seminar and blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah, send them seminar and blah blah blah. Everybody I say, I said no man, she did a kind of me shooter, right. The girl in her inbox with her long time, her phone, her inbox, long time.
Post like me say it only sad
them ball it out me love
the people them funny some of them are sure I don't know friend them
can't hear you girl
have them big dirty job girl them we are do good them related to celebrity. So if them so you think say if you put up and say a diary sister I'm a friend them clean and that's when them young.
Why? Me nah lie, get the woman shape, the woman look like hallelujah.
So big up my friend them from childhood days, clean the blood clot still I beat them.
Me say I think say a Vogue magazine they go drop out a hot topic.
Anything they say, I'm gonna say something. Anything them people I tell her it is true. Them have my file.
I tell you the truth, it just get boring. Argue with those bitch just too boring. You can never argue with people shaped like hallelujah. You know, so she shaped like hallelujah.
With them file come like dentures where I shake to blood clot.
Me hear the big dirty woman, the big shutterback woman. I say, yeah, although me have 11 step in my back. Me have 11 step in my back for rallying climb go at heaven. She that you that's say I put it in climb.
Nah, look.
Murder. Don't entertain them. Don't entertain the dog shit, please. And more.
Post, let me ask you a question. When me there entertain them shit mug, yeah?
Yeah, man, just, yeah, no, them a dog shit. And that them want, let me tell you what them want. They want to be seen and people to hear about them and people to...
When you see me entertain them at woman, yeah?
No, we say we're not entertain them. We're not give them. We just exhibit them. We are exhibit them, but we're not. Yeah, we just exhibit them.
Yeah. We're not entertain them. I them.
No, me no, but no, me I say we just exhibit them, but we're not give them the highlights where they want. Where they gonna come back, and we are gonna come back. We not do that. Them not worth it. They don't worth it.
Every last one of them, my sister. I love you, all of them. Mwah, mwah. I don't. We need some picture of them still. If nobody can send me them, but mwah, 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 mwah. I love you, all of them. If one of them, if I hate them, then sure I hate them and my sister them.
But we say, show your sister them where that do. Show your whole family where that do. But look on for them family, for them mama na no neck, for them mama have a handcuff on her
Me
neck,
don't know
pull up her neck,
why people that me don't know
no
why
eyebrow.
people them are sure me don't know. Me know only my few friends them from childhood days me know. But me don't know what else
So she get
what
your
to say.
file. What kind of file? And go
All
and
what me
search and
see.
take up people
I was
past,
somebody
people
record that
in Facebook and get 2 picture
friend them.
and both then get file. A delusion people, them man, them sick man. Me get your
Yeah,
file.
because what they're doing is if I write something on my Facebook, I write say, I love you, my sister, and I love you, or I love you, my mother, or love you, my auntie, them automatically things say, you know, but them have to understand say, me growing up, my family was not my blood relatives, them. Like a lot of the family when I have are just people like say me meet your post from me young, I have my back from me young.
Yeah, but normally people do that.
But
These are
either way you take it, yes, everyone of them put out and my sister them
oh
me and them grow
God.
together,
Oh
me and them
God.
war people together.
Oh God.
Anything them say I can drop or eat. Believe them people, these people dig me up and pay a whole heap of money for just Google me name and go on Facebook.
I said she said she pay £500. Ooh, rolling off pay for them picture when she take a start. From my niece, depend my niece page. She go and see the picture of them and take them off.
Apart Facebook or LinkedIn, one website where you're LinkedIn. If you're a professional, you have to have a LinkedIn. If you're a professional, those who are professionals will understand what I'm saying. But I right this so right
Yeah,
this
like a
for
fuck
me.
this girl the day how long me not see that fuck out girl yeah.
Who that?
A girl yeah, the dancehall girl. She fuck till fuck says fuck no more.
But anything they say are true. And that's that. Anything they say are true. But I dispute nothing. Yesterday when them rub me there work, I collect people tip. But just smile and say, hi, welcome. My name is so and so. Ask them why them drink order. Get them some top shelf
But she might
liquor.
have blood clot teeth then.
The first table yesterday, the people them buy 4 people, then become to 100, they give me $50. My second table at 45, my third table at 30, and it just a go and go. Yeah, come home with 450. Nah, but now the time, Puss. Them
Well, you know me
boring,
now.
boy.
Me can't deal with all news, all long time
Them
news. I
boring.
entertain them, me. It just boring, boring. Me just exhibit and go, but we have no time.
Them boring. Them boring bad. Like, boring, boring, boring. Boring bad.
And things say them a come out with something. Things say them a come out with hot topic. God, I go like about
Every
people. You get file and you get nothing.
every time they claim say them a blackmail me, they come out with things already they want already. I know what's funny too. It's always somebody like them come like them can't find nothing. Them have to find so either me put out or when me put out and somebody else talk over it already. Like the woman said she put out my address of Florida. Why you want to send people come on me out of Florida? After me, I in Florida all along. She gonna send people on me address of Florida. So, I don't come in last night, take a shower, my mind. Sorry, oh God, I don't have the time or the energy, Puss. I'm telling you. the people them just can't lame up the rubber dub thing. Me say from Puss, when the people them a rub me, you believe me say I want somebody alone send me a clip.
Nobody not
Nobody
send
not
me, because I
call.
want them not send me.
No, but that's I say. You know, when I look, they're still in the live right now. I'm saying about 13 people send me live right
Yeah.
now. Make me head the power line right now. I talk them. I said me for come over there. So
Yeah,
it
because
show you say, you know
for them
people
so
that's
boring, you know, because it's them all blood clot, big pussy, and
yeah.
then boring, man.
You know people that would have said diary run come. Nobody.
No, we can't not interest
People
in
them
nobody, no, man.
People them say, yo, this lady is really
I
obsessed
got
with you, Diary. Like, you really need to be careful
it get
because this
boring
is
for
past
sure. That
obsession.
you know me love the rubber though, but first it's not entertain it. You can't just hear about it and just even so them tag me how much time yesterday send it to me. I'm not even please. Come here and say, me all the on my son page. And we could have got click on it. I'm not even go look.
The only problem I have a problem with, you know, with the whole of this thing, you know. And the fact that this girl says she can send man go mother. That's the only part. That's the only part was the paging mother thing. Me have to open my eye like, really now? Then
Yeah,
couple
for
of
the
life
one
in
money,
come ball.
eat up the blood.
A diary. A diary. Eh?
Yeah, come fresh. Shop for
Where's
the
that?
woman money.
Post them a report your life. Me come got my bed, you know.
That me want to
Them
go
a
and
report
talk
your
here.
life, bad.
Yeah. Them lives sad and nobody not even
But me not lie though.
it's boring, man. One different thing.
Boy, Post, the obsession is real. Me coulda get loan from my friend for go to Jamaica, and they are Jamaica. Jesus, please. One little maga body girl, you see like 20 live back at each other make. That's crazy. That's crazy. But it is what it is. Pues me take a look at those of me tired.
Go and
Go and
talk, man.
Cassandra.
After it's a 1 hour this
But I'll
after
fire
that.
about one stop. Tired.
You
Me
gotta
work
be
all night last
okay.
night.
Girl, them boring, man.
Work all
Nobody want
night
to talk
last
about
night.
them dirty people. And
Work
me,
all
for
night
sure, no
last
want
night and this
entertained by
morning to
them.
sell 2
I
furniture.
want drink water
Tired.
and bend my business.
I tell her, man. And I tell her, man, the boredom not really makes sense still, but
Yeah, man, beat out her blood clot, Teresa, she keep your money. That girl, I can't fight, you know. See how girl fight there?
I'm watching already.
Yeah, I just watch it. But watch the second part. I know me I watch the first part. Oh, yeah, me bad.
But Puss, oh, you sit down and watch them a show in Spanish.
I like, I tell you, put it, I kill you. See there? I kill you. When I watch it, I no watch, you're a bitch. See that?
Yeah.
Tell me why I shouldn't kill you. Them have the word reading. But when I watch a Mexican and the car, them show them a watch. Can't take a Jamaican, them. The American. Yeah, I mean, that's Jamaican, like Jamaican, I do show. Drink water, mind my business. God class.
Mama. Right now, I'm gonna mine at least a 1 hour nap before my man come in.
No early time now.
Yeah, but like I said, I come off of work last night and this morning I have to
Tired.
get up because I sell 2 furniture
Oh.
and then I never get to go sleep there or nothing.
Why
I'd
not
lush
tell her?
up. I'd stallion there post.
Stallion no want hard. Stallion no
Add
like
her up.
live.
I will tell you that stallion ever the part of my life.
Stallion no like lives.
She jump off a cocky and she jump right back.
Blood.
Oh my god. Shouldn't take too long to come like me tell.
Bad girl, eh? Blood clot. Everything we then do, our shall keep back.
Alexa, rain sounds for sleeping. YouTube.
And then she got on best one after. That's when time them catch her dead, you know, them are gonna say how she kill her.
Oh my god, my rain sound on. All at two.
Yeah, man, drink some water and mind your business. I mean, I bed. Just
Me
drink
not
off
stop,
much.
me not stop mind people business. People business nice and comfortable.
What is? I like it to and blow.
Alright, boss.
Put some mind your business. Watch your to the realest baby walk on. Oh, let me show you. I'm watching me there walk. That's my chatter. She body coming, man. No, I can't. See, like God. You stay out of it. This is not your business. Don't even think of calling the civilian guard. She kill her. The man beat her, go down the stairs and beat her, go up back. And